Robot welding head, laser control box, robot control box, protective gas. Wire feeder. Laser control box power cord. Laser control box main switch. Water tank filling port. Safety water level display table, green indicates safety. Water tank switch. Welding head switch. Laser switch. Emergency stop. Robot main switch. Teaching pendant for controlling robots. Connect protective gas. Turn on protective gas argon, nitrogen, prohibited use of air. Installation process of wire feeding controller. Open the handle and feed in the welding wire. Press the wire feed wheel and close the fixing handle. Test the laser point and welding wire with white paper at the same location. Log in and enter the teaching pendant administrator password 123456. Mobile robot. Find the laser focal length. Adjusting the wire feeding structure. Align the welding wire position with the laser position. Laser spot welding wire in the same position. Welding head control screen. Can adjust the shape and size of the light spot. Unplug the protective trachea. Twist open the protective lens bolt. Pulling out protective lenses. Check if the protective lenses are damaged. Black dots indicate damage. Insert protective lenses. Connect the protective air pipe. Programming demonstration. Login administrator password 123456. Create a new program. Move robot. Select Cartesian coordinate system. Press and hold the safety button. Release the robot to stop working. Move the robot to the welding position through the control key. Program selection point. Robot starting point. Move the robot to the product welding position. Program selection point. Welding starting point. Program selection turning on laser. Move the robotic arm to the product welding position. Welding endpoint. Program selection line. Program selection laser off. Move the robot up to maintain a safe distance from the selection point and point of robot. Twist the button to run. Press the start switch to start the program. Turn off the laser power supply. Turn off the welding head power supply. Turn off the power supply to the water tank. Turn off protective gas. Turn off the main power supply of the laser control box. Turn off the main power supply of the robot control box.